Have you ever visited this city before? What are the famous sightseeing places here? Is there a historical monument in the city? Are there any good parks or gardens to visit? Do tourists come here often? How is the weather today? Does this city have a hot climate all year? Does it rain heavily during monsoon? Are there many government and private offices? Do people mostly travel by bus or train here? Are hospitals and clinics easily available in the city? Does the city have good schools and colleges? Are there enough playgrounds for children? Is the internet and mobile network strong here? Do you think the traffic in the city is a big problem? Are the roads well maintained? Is air pollution a serious issue in this city? Do people follow traffic rules properly here? Are there enough public toilets and dustbins in public places? What do you like most and least about this city?